And welcome to my YouTube channel Programmers Thing. So today I'm gonna show you how to write a Java program to print or find duplicate characters in a string. So without any delay, let's get started. Alright guys, so I have Eclipse IDE in my system. So I've already created a project, test programs, which is a simple Java project, and going to create one class here. So by name duplicates in string. Okay, so let me tell you first, we have multiple ways to find a duplicates characters in a string. So let me go through it one by one. Okay, so let's create one main method so as I can call my other methods. So let me take a string test equals to, just take it like any random string. First of all, I'll show you first method by using a Hashmap. So public static void print duplicates using Hashmap. That seems a long name, but it's easy to understand. Alright, so first of all, here I will create a map and I will take key value pairs here, first character and then integer, so that I can use the characters of the string. I will add the integer value place. I will say how many times it appears in the string. Alright, so new Hashmap. Alright, let me import it, java.util package. Okay, so first of all, I'll have to convert this string into a array of characters, str.toCharArray. This is an inbuilt method of class string, and I'm taking one count that is initialized as 1. So let me traverse it through this array. So int I equal to 0, I will traverse it till the length of this array, length, and I plus plus. Okay, so first of all, I will check if the string strArray of I means first element not equal to empty. Okay, so we can have a sentence like this if the string has spaces in between. So as to handle that, I have applied this condition. Alright, and then inside this I have taken, here I have not taken the name map dot contains key. Okay, strArray of I. Okay, if it already exists in the map, then I will put strArray of I value place map.get strArray of I plus 1. What it means, let me explain you. So what it is, if this any of these while traversing through the loop, if any of these element or character already exists inside the map, that what I'll do, I am increasing the count of this by adding 1. Okay, if it is not there, just simply put strArray of I at key place and at value plus simple 1, that is count. Alright, so after this loop, outside this loop, I will simply, then I'll print map. Okay, now I have created this method. Let me call this method here in the main method and pass this string as parameter. Okay, let me run it. So here what I have in map, key value pairs. So I have a equal to 2, b equal to 1. So with respect to every character, I have to count how many times it occurs in the string. So we can apply operations, further operations on it. So what I'll do here, I will check I'll traverse through this map. So I'll take map dot entry, I'll take the same character and integer again as generic types, m map. So in this for loop, I will check if m dot get value is greater than 1, so it means it's duplicate, and then I will print here. What is this error? Actually I am taking here entry, and then so I'll have to convert this map into entry set. Print here m dot get key, because inside key we have the characters. So let's run it, let's comment it out now. It will now only print duplicate characters. So the duplicate characters are A, S and F inside this string. Alright, now move to the next method 2. Here I'm not going to use any collection, but instead I will use character array. So let's create one more method, public static void print duplicates, and the same pass string str inside parameter. So first of all, I'm going to convert this string into an array of characters. I'm going to take one count variable here. I'm going to traverse through loop. Let me give a space so that it will be more readable. So in the first one, for loop, I'll be using traversing from 0 to the length of the array. Alright, so this is the outer for loop, and then I will be compare each element of this array with the next one. So I'll have to take one more for loop in j equals 2. So now I have to compare first element with the next one. So it should be I plus 1, I less than till the length of the array. This is j, not I. Let me correct here. Okay, so first element when I will be here, so count should be 1 at the first time if it is not empty. So inside this I will check if str array of I equal to next element str array of j. If it is so, and the element is not empty, because there might be some spaces in between the strings, so that's why I'm taking this condition also. Inside this, if it is so, I will just simply increment count, and I will make it as 0. So I'm taking this as 0 because so in the next iteration of I don't want to pick this one because we have already counted it, so not to count it again, that's why I'm taking this here. Alright, so now here let me explain you here. Suppose I have this string AB, this is random characters. So first of all it will take A as in character. Okay, so inside this A will be compared with the rest of the characters. Okay, and then it will come again to the next loop, and B will be compared with the next of the characters. So I will whosoever is already compared, I'll make it 0 so as not to take it again. So here I will print this string. So here I will apply one condition: if the count is greater than 1 and str array of I not equal to 0. Alright, so this is another method. Let me call it here in the main function. Let me comment it out. Pass string test string here. Okay, run it. Let's see what happens. See, the output is AFS. Alright, so this is working absolutely correct. Now let's move to the next one. I have another method number 3. This is very simple. I will be using here hash set. So just for your knowledge, let me tell you, set has the property of not duplicating the elements. So let me create one more method here, public static void. So it will remove. So I'll give it the name. So what happens in the set, once I have already inserted character and I am inserting it again, or any object which is already there, any type of object, it will replace it if it is already existing inside the set. So remove duplicates using set. I will pass the same string here as well. Okay, set, I will take it as character type set equals to new tree set. Tree maintains the insertion order, that's why I am taking here implementation of tree. Let me import it. Alright, so here I'll have to traverse it through the string I less than str.length and I plus plus. So I will add one by one all the elements of the characters of the string inside this set. str.charadd is an inbuilt function of a string class, so that I can find its character by using index. Alright, so it will add one by one and it will not add the duplicates inside string. I can either use for loops, for each loop, or anything. There are multiple ways to print it, so I'm just for your knowledge, I'm printing here through using stream API. This is available in Java 8 function, and we have a filter method here, filter method, which uses predicate interface internally. So I'm using here filter. I'm taking one parameter and checking if it is not equal to empty, then I will traverse it. Means I will use for each is a inbuilt function in Java 8. System dot out and print. So let me call it first, then run it. Okay, pass here test, run it. So this is the these are the all the characters except duplicates. So we have just removed the duplicate elements in the string. So these are all the methods inside what I have told you. So guys, this is my first video on YouTube. If you like this, and please do subscribe for more. I'll keep updating such kind of programs in Java. Thank you very much for watching.